tight.
As soon as we
Right
open
away.
Oh.
White mountain cookies.
They're really good.
A lot of sugar.
They are so good.
They're so good. They're so good.
Oh no.
Just put them in there. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready, Andy? Ball?
Oh, yeah.
All right, ready? 2, 3. Oh, look at all the presents.
Oh, look at all those presents.
Come on, Will.
Come on, Will. Wow, it's like a mountain. Look at all those presents. And wouldn't it be nice if we could turn the lights on? What the heck? Nice. It's like a mountain.
Oh, you can walk out. You're fine.
Will you take a picture?
Yeah, but it's nothing big. Oh, William! Oh, okay. Yeah.
Come here, buddy. You okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Come here, sweetheart. Sit down for a second. Sit down for a second.
Whoa, look
She didn't
at
want
that.
to. What'd you get, Paul?
Okay.
Good thinking.
Will. Here, Ollie. Mikey, use your form.
What? It's Play-Doh. No, that's you.
And it's Play-Doh.
Yeah.
Who's it from?
I got a big one for you.
It is a big one. Thank you.
Look what Grandma gets you. Grandma Pickle.
Oh, what's on it, buddy? What's on your shirt?
He wants to put it back in the box.
Hey, Eric, will you take the camera and try to take some more pictures? I'm not having much luck over here.
Okay.
William, did you see your
Vacuum cleaner?
I don't know why. They strap it down like
Like some kid is
he's gonna throw it down the stairs and someone's
Grandpa.
gonna try to steal it and like I don't get it.
It doesn't make sense.
I like this.
Well, thank you, Mom and Dad.
Yeah. Well,
Jacket.
Thank you.
Nice, yeah.
I can wear this too.
Yeah.
That's what a lot of ears closed for.
Alright.
It's the Chris's camera.
Thank you, Hannah.
Eric, Dan.
Eric, this is from my grandma. But
Grandma Vicky and Ollie and
I didn't get it for you. My name was not
Leader.
okay. Paul, Hannah, Williams. Not Paul.
It's more ink pads, Hannah.
Tell
Thank
him
you,
thank you.
parents.
Say thank you, Uncle Mikey.
You're welcome.
They go with your stamps, Hannah.
What you get
Your
there? Oh, what are those?
What?
Hold on. Digital delay. That's all. The look of the joy on your face.
Nice glove.
Oh, I think our piles are combined.
They are. I'm also putting.
I think all three of our.
Are you gonna vacuum, Hannah?
I think we can
I
figure
got a
out.
Christmas CD.
What did he say?
What'd he say? Paul, you want to
They're
give this to your
Microsoft.
mom?
It's their iPod.
Tablecloth.
Yeah, it's crap. So, thank you,
This is for Hannah.
Heather and
Hannah.
Andy.
It is.
Parents.
Hannah, that's for you. Hannah,
you.
this is yours. You want to open it up? Hannah, did you want to open a present? Look, it's your present.
Oh, sweetie,
From
there's one
Uncle
right here
Chris.
from you, from Uncle Chris. Pull hard. Oh, pull. There you go. Pull it this way. There you go. Good, good. Tear it apart.
Are you putting boxes in one place?
Yeah, I was trying to like
Right
group
here.
them over.
This is for you from Grandma and Grandpa.
Uncle Chris, that's your
Alright. For Uncle Chris.
Mom, thank you.
Look at that. What is that, Paul?
Oh, pizza making set. Careful where you're walking.
Chris.
What is that? That's for you.
I think this is
No,
for
Chris.
you.
That's for you, Hannah.
Hannah, come here.
Yeah, there's a buzzer going off.
Come here.
What?
Andy, you've got
You know what that is?
Uh-oh.
Dora!
He's just gonna. If you can't walk into you, he'll just throw the present on you.
Yeah, no,
You know what it is?
off on me, buddy. This is nice.
Hannah, what is that?
Apple.
It's a scooter.
And the first one in there
Is the one that you
belongs
Is that a Dora scooter?
Who got that for you? Here.
You
don't need it.
At least you're starting early.
Safety.
Well, actually, it was Dennis and Barbara. They bought
A
Paul
desk
a present
lamp.
home and bought him a helmet with it. And Hannah obviously here, whenever
See a new helmet.
since they're doing scooters, you know. Well, I didn't
Here, will you pick it up and move it over to Grandpa?
Yes. Come on, Paul. Oh, you need some more room.
He's got
Oh,
the
good
camera
job,
over
Paul.
there.
All right, that'll be
Already.
good, bud. That's close enough. That's close enough. No,
Mom,
stop.
it's
Okay.
okay. It's okay.
It's too late.
Here, you want to push it over to Mom? Paul, will you push this over to Mom?
Paul, I need that gift. Will you push it to me, please? Just real quick.
Look, this is a present
Here's
for you.
the other one, Heather.
Oh, yeah, I'll get
You don't
that.
want to open it yet? Here, maybe your mom wants to open it.
Didn't Andy, where's...
You're welcome, Mom. That's for Paul.
Oh, that other
I
one?
like.
So where is it?
Yeah, that's
The one I gave
yours.
her?
Yeah.
She opened it.
Did it fall down?
All right. That Freddy Cooper. For it's like slippers for men, so I put little like ink in there. It's
You
like
should
I wrote on the box
climbing on top
old.
of that.
Hannah, you have to let Paul play with his toy. He will share it with you later, but he just got it, so you have to let him play with it.
Hannah, you've got some toys.
You've
You
got
want to get your
plenty of
toys
great
out?
toys you can play.
Willie, you're a climber.
Whose Leaping Frogs book is this?
Yeah, Paul, it's
Where's
on
the
there.
camera?
Here, that's.
We definitely need the camera.
No.
All right, well,
Hannah, Grandpa's gonna open up his big gift over there. See how big
My
that is?
go-kart.
Your
Golf
$1
cart.
million.
Solar powered, so you never have to charge it. Okay, well you don't have to, but the rest of us are going to watch. What?
So many different things.
Grumpy girl.
Where'd you go?
He ran
I
away.
think he ran away.
I think so.
Oh, Grandpa,
Yes, yes,
You want to help him open that?
hold on.
wanna help me?
yes.
Paul, you wanna help me?
Want to help him open his present?
Paul, you want to help him open that big
Oh, wait,
present?
wait, We're gonna wait for Grandma and Uncle
We gotta wait
Chris
for
to come
Grandma.
back.
Uncle Chris, I'm
Uncle
right
Chris
here.
is right
You
there.
move.
Marianne?
That's a good place to be. You can actually see his face. That's better.
Thank you.
No.
Chris has one.
No, we have
Ready?
Here, Heather, what do you think?
Ready?
Wait.
What?
Mom.
You're seeing, everyone's seeing.
How do you open
They're
the
alright.
camera?
You turn it on.
Oh,
Okay.
what we got here? A big box. Whoa, a dryer box.
New dryer.
Dryer, all right. Hey.
What is that?
It's one big snowblower.
Snowblower.
Big.
Yay!
Thanks, guys.
You're welcome. You're welcome, Dad.
no.
What is that,
Here
Hannah?
you go. What is that?
Snowblower.
Say hi, Will.
Oh. Yeah, what?
That's you. That's you.
What?
That's you.
Huh?
That's you. Yeah. That's you. Jesus, is at your house?
Yeah.
Yeah? Can you tell the camera whose birthday it is?
It's me.
That's you.
And whose birthday is it?
Jesus' birthday.
Jesus' birthday. He's at your house.
Jesus. Happy birthday to Jesus.
What, are you going to go buy gas?
Happy birthday to Jesus. Happy birthday to you.
I don't have any gas.
Yeah.